Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at my tech setup that I have for all my devices right now. And this was an idea that I had a few days ago. I wanted to be able to organize my equipment and make sure that everything was charged at all times and I can just grab and get what I need and head out to wherever I'm trying to get to. So this is what I came up with. It's not perfect, but it's better than I had before. So let's get into it. The main thing about this charging station is the hub. So here I have two Anker Prime charging stations here, powering the full unit. So one at the top, and as you can see, each one has, let me try to focus here. Each one has 6 charging ports. So 2 are USB-Cs and 2 are USB-As. I have one more at the bottom here. Same thing, 6 ports. So these are what's powering all my devices, and I believe there's over 10 right now. So starting from the left, I have a 3-in-1 right here that's powering my iPhone 11 and my Apple Watch Series 6. And if I wanted, it could power my headphones. In the front, I have an Anker power bank here that I can just put my iPhone on that I'm using right now to record. I put a monitor stand here to kind of elevate the iPads to give it a little bit more of aesthetics. Up above, I have 2 iPads. I have an iPad mini and iPad Pro. This is the 5th gen. And these are both sitting on Satechi mounts that I picked up from the Apple store. And off to the right, I have my Rayban Metas charged in as well. Underneath, I have my Macbook Pro with the cord coming on that side. And that's it for the first row. Next, the second row is more about photography and media. So here I have my DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone sitting here charged. And then off to the side, I have my Sony ZV E10 camera that I use for most of my videos. Behind that, I have my DJI Wireless Pro Microphone with the equipment. And then in the front, I have my SD card reader, which obviously doesn't need to be charged. At the very bottom, this is more of my miscellaneous stuff. So I have my controller for my drone, 2 Anker charging power banks, my massage gun, and another Anker charging station. So I tried to organize it in order of things that I use the most, which is obviously going to be my phones and sunglasses and tablets, and then working my way down. I think I'll probably add some LED lights to this moving forward, but this is what I have so far. So if anyone has a lot of devices, especially if you have a larger family and you need to be able to kind of cleanly organize, I highly recommend having some sort of hub that can just run out of 1 outlet or 2 outlets that you can power everything out of. It definitely helps. So my problem was I kept buying like all these little travel power banks, and that was good for like being on the go, but it wasn't really that great for being stationary. So this has been really helpful for me. So I'll probably add some LED lights and have better cord management in the future. As you can see, I have these cable ties coming out of these Prime stations. It's not super clean, but it's better than I had. And then they kind of wrap around on the sides and go down and then feed into the outlets. And then same thing with the bottom, where you have your cable ties here feeding over to the left. This could definitely be more clean, but this is the current setup. So let me know what y'all think about this. Until the next one, peace.